students. Now I'm teaching 10th class quadratic equation. Okay. Find the roots of x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0. So given x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So x is a whole number. We can do that cross multiply x into x square minus 1 into 1 by 1 into x is equal to 3. X here divide. This divide is going to divide upon multiply. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Plus 3x it comes to divide upon minus x square minus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this equation is comparison with general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is the what? X square quotient. Here x square quotient is how much? 1. B is the what? X quotient. Here B quotient is how much? X quotient is how much? Minus 3. Constant is how much? Minus 1. Okay, so by using quadratic formula, x is equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. A value is 1, b value is minus 3, c value is minus 1. So these values you can substitute here. Here you can get the roots. So that is x is equal minus b mark. Here b value is how much? Minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. 4ac by 2 into 1. So minus and minus plus 3 plus or minus 3 whole square 9 minus plus 4 1 ja 4 by 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so here 3 plus or minus square root of 13 by 2. Here how many values are there? More 2. How many roots are there? 2. What are they? 3 plus root 13 by 2. 3 minus root 13 by 2. So these are the roots of the given equation. Find the roots of 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 1 by 30. X not equal minus 4 and 7. If x is equal to minus 4, it is become 0. X is equal to 7, it is become 0. Then it is not defined. Okay, so here given 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now these two are the fractions. We can do that cross multiply. 1 into x minus 7 minus 1 into x plus 4 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So 1 of x minus 7 minus 1 of x plus 4. So 1 into x minus 7 minus 1 into x minus 1 into plus 4 minus 4 by here the product of two polynomials. How we can multiply? How we can product? The first polynomial, how many terms are there? All the terms is multiply the second polynomial. So that is x of x minus 7 plus 4 of x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, plus x minus x cancel. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 by x into x square minus 7x plus 4 into x 4x plus 4 into minus 7 minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. 11 by 30. Here minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x. So minus 11 by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Here we can do that cross multiple. Okay, so here 30 divided by this 30 comes this side upon multiple. Here it is divided, it is going to left side upon multiple. So minus 11 into 30 is equal 11 of x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay, here 11 here what? Multiple. This 11 comes this side upon divide. So minus 11 into 30 by 11 is equal x square minus 3x minus 28. 11 1 ja cancel. So minus 30 is equal x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay, minus 30 is going to right side of pen plus 30. So x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. So minus 28 plus 30, how much? 2. Okay, so x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 now. Okay, is equal to 0. So this one we can do that here. 2 how we can write? 2 1 ja. These two factors sum how much ma? 3. 2 plus 1 3. Okay na? So here 2 plus 1 how much ma? 3. Okay, so here we can write as x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. So in this two term what the common? X of x minus 2. In this two what is the common? Minus 1. So when you take the minus 1, this place how you can write? Minus into minus. So minus 1 is taking outside, what the remaining? X minus 2 is equal to 0. In this total what the common? X minus 2 of x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to x is equal to 1. So these are the roots of the given equation. The sum of the reciprocals of Riemann is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So let us take present age of Riemann is x years. So what the given condition? The sum of reciprocals of Riemann is 3 years ago. Okay, here the age of Riemann 3 years ago is ago means back now. So that is x minus 3. It is the present days. From this present days we can 3 years back. Okay, x minus 3. Okay, next Riemann 5 years from now. 5 years from now. Present means 5 years now. From present 5 years. Okay, so that is x plus 5. Okay, so what the question? The sum of the reciprocals. Okay, reciprocal of x minus 3. The reciprocal of x minus 3 what? 1 by x minus 3. The reciprocal of x plus 5 what that? 1 by x plus 5 is how much they given there? Sum 1 by 3. Okay, given okay, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So what the question ma? The sum of reciprocals of Riemann ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Then, so here 3 years ago x minus 3, its reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3, x plus 5, its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Reciprocal means it is changes. Numerator is changing into denominator, denominator is changing to numerator. Okay, so here now these two are fraction. Their sum is how much more? 1 by 3. Now we can do that cross multiple. X plus 5 plus x minus 3 by x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, x plus x, 2x plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 by here the product of two polynomials. So that is x of x plus 5 minus 3 of x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Here 2x plus 2 by x into x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into plus 5 minus 15. Okay, here 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can do that cross multiple. 2x plus 2 into 3 is equal 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. Here 3 2 ja 6x plus 6 is equal x square plus 2x minus 15. So these two terms is going to rise what happen? There changes their signs. Okay, 0 is equal x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6. 0 is equal x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal 0. X square minus 4x minus 21 is equal 0. Okay, 7 3 ja 21. Okay, minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. So here we can write as x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal 0. So in this two what the common? X of x minus 7. In this two what the common? Plus 3. Okay, so here 3 is common. Then what the remaining? X minus 7 is equal 0. So in this total what the common? X minus 7. So x minus 7 of x plus 3 is equal 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0. If the first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0 or both. So x minus 7 is equal 0. X plus 3 is equal 0. X is equal 7. X is equal minus 3. Okay. So here the a is not in negative mark. The a is positive. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Next one. The diagonal of a rectangular field. Let us take A, B, C, D. It is a rectangular field. Okay. What is given there? The diagonal. Diagonal means what? A line which is joining the opposite vertices of a closed curve. Okay. So this is the diagonal. And also it is a one diagonal. Okay, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Okay, shorter side. Here, the shorter side is nothing but the side which is often less plus, that is called breadth. So here, how much more? Let us say we don't know that is x. That is how much more? X. So the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. That is here x. The diagonal is how much more? X plus 60. Okay, more than plus. So shorter side ikkana breadth gana ente ekku ante 60 meters. Next, if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. The longer side means nothing but what? Length. Length is 30 more meters more than the breadth. So that is x plus 30. Here the angle is how much? 90. Here the angle is how much? 90. Okay, how to can find the sides? Okay, when you draw the diagonal, the rectangle is joining how many parts? Two triangles. Okay, which two triangles there are? Right angle triangle. Right angle means what? In a triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. That is called right angle triangle. Okay, so how we can find the sides? By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, hypotenuse side square is equal side square plus side square. Okay, so here let us take the shorter side of rectangular field is x meters. Okay, so the largest side of rectangular field is the given condition x plus 30. Next, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So that is x plus 60. Okay, in triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what? Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse side square is equal side square plus side square. So that is here AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. AC how much? X plus 60 whole square is equal AB x plus 30 whole square plus x square. Here we can apply the A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here x square plus 2 into x into 60 plus 60 square. Next x square plus 2 into x into 30 plus 30 square plus x square. Okay, so here x square plus 2 into 60, 120x plus 3600 is equal x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square. Okay, now so here x square plus 120x plus x square how much ma? 2x square plus 60x plus 900. Okay, these three terms is going to right side, what happen? Sign changes. The signs are changes. So that is 0 is equal 2x square plus 60x plus 900 minus x square minus 120x minus 3600. Okay, 2x square minus x square. X square plus 60x minus 20x minus 60x plus 900 minus 3600, that is 2700. 2700. So 0 is equal x square minus 60x minus 2700. X square minus 60x minus 2700. 60x minus 2700 is equal 0. So 90 30 2700. Okay, 60 minus 90 plus 30. Minus 90 plus 30. How much? Minus 60. So you can add as x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 90 into 30 is equal to 0. So in this two what the common? X of x minus 90 plus 30 of x minus 90 is equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 90 into x plus 30 is equal to 0. So that is x minus 90 is equal to 0, x plus 30 is equal to 0, x is equal to 90, x is equal to minus 30. So length, the sides of rectangle is not in negative. So take that positive. The shorter side is x is equal to 90, largest side is x plus 30 is equal 90 plus 30 is equal 120. Next diagonal is x plus 60. 90 plus 60 is equal 150. Okay, these are sides of rectangular region.